How to sautéing the roe in a pan. Fish roe, or fish eggs, can be cooked in a variety of ways to make a delicious, unique meal. Whether you're frying the roe with breadcrumbs, poaching it in butter, or sautéing it in a pan, it's a yummy delicacy that goes great with many different foods. You can season and flavor your fish roe with all kinds of ingredients, like onion, garlic, capers, shallots, and lemon. Step 1. Heat the butter in a large pan over medium heat. Cut a slice or two of butter and place it in the pan so it starts to melt. Use as much or little butter as you'd like for the roe's taste, but at least use enough to coat the bottom of the pan completely. Step 2. Place the roe in the pan and sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Once the butter has melted, put the roe in the pan and spread it out. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper depending on how much you'd like to use according to your taste preferences. Rockfish roe is great for this recipe, but any fish roe will work. Step 3. Cook the roe in the pan for 10 minutes, flipping it over once. Let the roe cook for 5 minutes before you flip it over with a spatula or other kitchen tool. Once the roe is flipped over, cook it in the pan for another 5 minutes. Be careful when you flip the roe so it doesn't break. Step 4. Remove the roe when it's brown and cooked through. After the roe has been cooked for 10 minutes, it should be done. If you're not sure whether the roe is cooked through or not, use a fork and pierce the roe to check. Use a spatula to transfer the roe to a plate. Set the plate of roe aside while you cook the rest of the ingredients. Step 5. Add the other ingredients to the pan and heat them up. This includes the lemon juice, parsley, chives, and thyme. Put all of these ingredients in the same pan you used to cook the roe and let it heat up over medium to medium-low heat. Mix the ingredients in the pan with a large pan to ensure they heat up evenly. Step 6. Pour the mixed ingredients over the roe and serve it. Once the other ingredients are warm, add them to the roe by pouring them directly on top. Now your roe is ready to be served. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.